welcome back to another vlog. It is Monday. Hang on a second. I'm literally putting on my socks. We're about to head out. My mom and I are gonna go run some errands, and I just figured, why not vlog? Hang out with my mom and I for maybe an hour or two. Mismatched socks because I'm in such a hurry. I just finished filming a campaign and then I almost messed up. Spent a lot of time putting it together, and I just hope that they accept it because I worked really hard on it. Grab our backpack. Oh, by the way, if you are interested in the Juicy mini backpack, I found a link for it. It's almost this exact same price that I paid for it. I got mine at TjMaxx. Like, Juicy accessories are pretty hard to find, and if you go on like Mercari, is it Mercari? Poshmark, sometimes they are priced ridiculously. So the place I found this, it's really affordable. And yeah, okay, you know what, let me get myself together and let's head out. So Mom, are you ready for a few hours of non-stop hand sanitizer?
Oh, okay, yes.
Whenever we go to the store, I always have her spray her hands when she gets back in the car, and she is not used to doing that. I'm the hand sanitizer police, so I always spray her hands all the time, and then she always says by the time we are done, her hands are like sandpaper.
Sandpaper.
Bath and Body Works antibacterial hand spray, so they smell good, and they also have aloe so that it leaves your hands feeling nice and soft, although it still does contain alcohol. But still, you know, Mom, you need your hand sanitizer, so your hand sanitizer police daughter is here. 2 bags of the Eat Smart chopped salad Asian sesame. When does this expire? August 9. I ended up getting one that's August 15, or best if used by August 15, and then the other one August 9. It's on sale, 2 for $6. Give me your hands.
Oh no! I didn't even do anything.
Give me your hands. You touched a lot of things.
Oh no, a lot, nothing.
You touched the pin pad. You touched a lot of items.
Whatever.
Okay, on to the next. Costco. Is this me, or have the Costco carts gotten taller?
No. Oh,
Look, I feel like a little child pushing this cart because it's like up to here on me. My mom looks like she's fine pushing it. Oh, because my mom's like 5. Mom, how tall are you?
5.
She's 5 feet. I, on the other hand, I'm 4'9¼ so this thing is like really high up on me. No, I think their carts were lower before. I do not remember it being this high. What are you finding there, Mom? Oh, it's a Jessica Simpson ladies roll neck sweater, $12.99.
Okay.
I told her maybe she should get this one, the rust. I think this would be really pretty for the fall time. See, let me see how it looks on you, Mom. I think you're just not used to wearing an orange. Ah, winner, winner. I was hoping that they would have the Golden Road mango cart. Have you guys tried that with like tahini or chamoy around the rim? Or the michelada? Oh my gosh, so good. But they don't have the variety pack here. So we're currently now at Smart and Final. Our cart's empty. Okay. Let's go get some coffee. Here we go. Oh, so I think this is the same as the one from Costco. The one at Costco was $9.49 for the same amount. Jeff.
Coffee.
This is the one I'm talking about, the Golden Road mango cart. It's $9.99. Or they have the variety pack, the melon, mango, and pineapple cart, $16.99. This only contains 6. It's kind of expensive here. Next stop is
TjMaxx.
I think my mom wanted to go home already, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, because Jonathan is bringing home some food. I was gonna treat her out to dinner, but He's bringing home some food tonight. So it's okay. We'll save it for another time.
It only took us 2 hours.
TjMaxx, we both didn't find anything this time around. But it's okay. You know, at least we got to walk around. Now we're going to go home because we have the groceries in the back.
Maybe it's because we just want to eat.
So it is the next day. Just came back from running some errands. When we left off, I was running errands with my mom. Hold on, I feel like the lighting is off. Hopefully this is okay. I just ran a few errands today, picked up some toiletries, so I will have toiletries and, you know, some self-care hygiene items. So there will be a self-care hygiene haul up fairly soon, maybe next week, because I want to at least go through the monthly favorites and empties video. I still have to film that. I wanted to share with you some PR that were sent over. I also wanted to share with you what I did pick up from Homegoods and also TjMaxx, because it's more like fall related. Even though you guys know I love summer, I'm also excited for the fall season. It's from Pixi, and it's this huge box. They have like the cutest packaging, and they always are so thoughtful. I think this is better. This is the Pixi Pretties, and when you open it, it tells a little bit about the creators that they collaborated with. So this is Louise Rowe, and then we have Promise. I'm a huge fan of Promise. I met her a long time ago at Generation Beauty by Ipsy. And then we have here Makeup by Denise, and then Tina Young, and these are the palettes. The Cheeks Rouge palette, Shapeshifter palette, Contour Highlight. That looks really pretty. And this is Mind Your Own Glow, so it's a highlighting palette. Tones and textures, and I like the versatility of this palette because you have some blues, peaches, some neutrals. These all look really pretty. I'm gonna have to play around with these. Thank you so much to Pixi from It Cosmetics. Wow. Skin concerns say bye-bye. This is so cool. Introducing new bye-bye serums. So the vitamin C for dullness, bye bye lines for, of course, for lines, bye bye pores, hello, and then bye bye dark spots. Wow, this is so sweet. And then they even have here Try It skincare cocktails, and they even included this. This is so cool. We're gonna have to try this later. Thank you so much, It Cosmetics, because I love serums. So these actually retail for $29 a piece. I love vitamin C, so I'm gonna try this out. I don't think I mentioned it though in my Ombre Powder brow healing process video. Christine, who is the brow artist, she was telling me that moving forward, when it comes to skincare, things that are anti-aging, vitamin C, retinol, to really be mindful, especially not to put it on my brows, because especially like vitamin C, those types of things can actually mess with the pigment, and it can turn your brows like a lighter, I think she was saying like an orangey color. It can lighten them, mess with its longevity. So when it comes to skincare, like when I put on my serums, my vitamin C serum, I always make sure, you know, I'll put it on my skin, make sure to keep it away from my brows, and then I'll go and wash my hands and then apply my SPF moisturizer. Let's talk about some fall finds. Marshalls, Homegoods, TjMaxx, Ross, like all those places are starting to bring out a lot of their fall themed items. Starting to see a lot of pink items start popping up. So if you're interested in one of these, I would highly recommend you head over to your local TjMaxx, Homegoods, Marshalls, or if I can find a link for it, I will link it down below. But you know, definitely keep an eye out for these. I thought this would be a really good addition for the background for the fall season, because it's not shiny, so it's not gonna really reflect the light. And it is this matte, kind of like, almost like a pink, but with a bit of like a lilac hue to it. But the thing I like about it is that it's matte, so when the lights reflect off of this, it's not gonna have some like glare I mean, of course, the stem, it's gold, so that this part will reflect the light, but the actual pumpkin itself, it's like a, feels kind of like NARS packaging in a way. So that's what it feels like. I just thought it was really unique, and I think it would be a nice little addition to mix into the room. Another one that I found that I thought would be nice to put on the bed, and is also in the pink family. It's more of like a blush, gold sequins on it. Hopefully the lighting is doing it justice, because it is really pretty and it's soft. It's like it's almost like a pillow. I like the stem because it's gold with glitter on it, so I thought this would be nice to kind of throw on the bed. And if you compare both of them, here's like the sizing. I believe this was at HomeGoods, if I'm not mistaken. Disney Not So Scary Pumpkin Brew. It's a bewitching blend of pumpkin pie and vanilla, and this is the medium roast. If anybody has tried this, please let me know down below your thoughts on them. Also, let me know if you've tried the Golden Road mango cart or the michelada. I saw it today when I was out running some errands, and for some reason I just feel like I want to go to Bevmo or see if I can get a good deal on it. The $9.99 pack for the mango just seems a little bit pricey in my opinion. I don't know why. Okay, I don't know why, but maybe if I can get it like on this, like a little bit of a sale, I would feel better about it. I was so tempted to get it. Anyway, let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you enjoyed hanging out today, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be a part of the Chickie crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you in the next vlog.